Hey guys, I want to take a quick minute and film a video. At this time of year, we are getting ready to gear up to start homeschooling again. If you're a first-time homeschooler, maybe you've been homeschooling. For me, all of a sudden, I can't even believe I'm feeling like this again. But with COVID, here I am again saying, oh my goodness, is it time to start school again? So if you're like me, I had to quickly, recall all the things I need to get done fast before I start homeschool, which I had already set on the calendar to do next week. So if this is for you, take a minute, join with me to talk quickly about how we need to prepare for homeschool getting started this fall. Thanks for joining me. Four things that you need. The first thing that you need to do is re-establish what is your why for homeschooling. This literally has carried me through as a homeschool mom. Your why is your reason, it's your conviction, it's the moment that you had that you knew that the heavens parted and you felt clear on your reason for homeschooling. Have you written that down? Have you even established that? Your why is everything. Oh my goodness, on my hard days, I look at my little note as to why I wrote out, my why with homeschool, and it literally is like okay, yes, I am doing this. This is for a reason, and it's powerful when you come back to that point. So establish your why if you haven't yet. Write it down, post it where you can see it. It is such a key factor in homeschooling. My second point is to have your setup, have your area that you're going to be homeschooling, whether it's the table in your home or whether it's a set area where you have desks and a set little organization station for your homeschooling. Whatever it is, get excited about it, reestablish it, organize it if you need to. For me this year, I'm clearing out an area. I'm going to get an actual desk for my kindergartner / first grader. We're right in between right now. I'm going to put cute little signs up around her area, an organization station, and that way she feels a sense of ownership, excitement about it. But it really can be anything. Whatever your setup is, whatever it is going to be, just get it ready, prepare yourself just like any teacher would. Redecorate if you feel the need to. We're doing that every year. We pick a theme. It's been so fun. We do the decorations together. So establish your space for homeschooling. My third point is to make sure that you have your curriculum in place, that you have your collaboratives, your outings, your extracurriculars, your social outlets together, scheduled, organized, and ready to go for your start of homeschool. For me this year, we're doing again My Father's World. Highly recommend it. Love it so much. I have a code that I'll list below that gets you 2 free gifts if you order My Father's World curriculum. But they encompass, I won't go too much into it, but their curriculum encompasses, great for little kids, science, outdoors, character development, home activities, your math, your reading, your English, your literature, world cultures, Bible. I mean, it literally ties in anything and everything that you can think of. Highly, highly recommend My Father's World curriculum, especially for littles. I started my oldest now as a pre-K 4-year-old with My Father's World. Highly recommend it. So get your curriculum together, get your extracurriculars together, get all of that in order, get your schedule together is my last point. I talk about this a lot for homeschool moms, but your schedule is your backbone, legitimately. You absolutely 110% need a schedule as a homeschooler. Even if you throw that schedule out some days or the schedule can bend or ebb and flow, a general schedule, if you're not a tight-knit hour-to-hour schedule person, a generalized schedule of, okay, in the mornings, we either, crunch, get our homeschool done. If you're a detailed schedule person, you can break that down hour to hour from subject to subject, starting with breakfast, getting ready. You could do it like that. There are plenty of resources on Pinterest that are absolutely insanely amazing that help schedule and get everything in order in that regard. I'm not even going to talk about those details, but if you're not a highly organized scheduled person, a schedule actually will help you to feel a sense of order, to feel a sense of start and beginning, or start and end. And it will help you to have a sense of just overall well-being, and just a sense of, okay, we have from this time to this time, we're going to be doing this. Okay, that's over. Okay, next we're going to be doing this. Schedules are not to restrict you in a negative way. Schedules are actually to help empower you, to help better you, to help you to feel a sense of life, and again, a sense of start and end. So I would say get your schedule in order. Like I was saying, if you're not a highly detailed person, you could do it in a vast general sense. So in the morning you could, either do an outing or get your homeschool done. You have your meal times, you have your, bath time at the end of the day routine in order, but at least the children feel a sense of stability, a sense of order. Children absolutely need that. They thrive in that. They thrive in an environment that is orderly and clean, not rigid and uptight, but orderly and clean. Just like you can focus better when your home is orderly and in order and clean, so can they. And so get things in order, get yourself in order, get your outlook ready. If you need a devotional, there's a great one right now that I just heard about that we're going to look into for kids and for parents. I'll post those below. And just get yourself in order, get your heart ready, get your mindset ready, organize where you need to, throw things out where you need to, get rid of last year's stuff, bring in some new things for this year. Whatever it is that you got to do, get yourself ready, get yourself strong, get in the right mindset. Don't be overwhelmed by all the other moms doing all the other things. You focus in and hone in on what you need to be doing and what you feel the conviction that's best for your home and your children, but also pulling on outside resources as needed, knowing that you're not alone, knowing that you can do this, knowing that you know your why and you have your sense of, mindset ready, clarity. You're pumped up about it. You know why? Because if you feel that, so will your kids. If you feel like, oh, here we go again, this stinks, this is so hard, I hate this, so will your kids. Your kids are a direct reflection of who you are as a parent. No, it's not your fault for the way that your kids are, but at the same time, you are the parent. You take ownership for who you are so that they can be all that they are. So anyways, I leave you with that. I hope that you have an amazing start to your homeschool year. Again, just get yourself in that right mindset, get yourself ready, get ready for it to be an amazing year, and do all that you need to do in order to get that in place. I also want to encourage you, if you are liking these videos that I've been posting, I want to encourage you to like, I want to encourage you to subscribe, I want to encourage you to make comments, tell me more about what you want to hear more about, or what's something that you're enjoying learning about right now. I would love to hear from you, love to connect with you, so just want to encourage you, like and subscribe if you're enjoying it. And I just, again, want to say thank you so much for joining me. I love doing these videos. I love connecting with you all. And I so look forward to seeing you here in the future. Thanks.